Beforepay, the ethical lending fintech, has been recognized for its dedication to providing safe and affordable financial solutions. This commitment has resulted in a notable collection of awards and industry recognition over the past few years, particularly in ethical lending and innovation. In 2023, Beforepay was honored with the prestigious Ethical Lender of the Year award from two different international publications, Pan Finance International and Wealth and Finance International. This recognition highlighted the company's mission-driven approach to helping working Australians manage temporary cash flow challenges without the risk of long-term debt or compound interest. Also in 2023, APAC Insider named Beforepay the best app-based lending company in Australia. The momentum continued into 2024 with more accolades focusing on their ethical practice and technological innovation. Beforepay secured the Best Ethical Lending Fintech 2024 and the Most Innovative Ethical Lender of the Year 2024 titles from the APAC Australian Enterprise Awards, hosted by APAC Insider. They were also named the Ethical Lender of the Year 2024, APAC by the Ethical Finance Awards and received the Ethical Lender of the Year 2024, Australia from the International Business Magazine Awards. The company's use of technology to improve services was also acknowledged as a finalist in the 2024 Finder Innovation Awards for both Best Lending Innovation and Best Online Customer Service Innovation. This consistent industry recognition underscores Beforepay's position as a leader in ethical financial technology.